fireworks. In smaller quantities, they create a wonderful light show in the sky with different shapes and colors. But in larger quantities, they can cause great damage to grass and, in some cases, houses. It makes people wonder how majestic and wonderful fireworks can be. But also makes you wonder how something so beautiful and majestic can also be so dangerous. Well, it deals with what we're going to talk about today, and that's combustion reactions. Now, what exactly is a combustion reaction anyway? Well, a combustion reaction is when you have fuel, which is usually gasoline or propane, mixed with an oxidizer, which is usually just oxygen found in the air. There also must be a massive amount of heat in order for the reaction to occur. Now, there are two types of combustion reactions: complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Complete combustion is when your fuel and oxidizer mix together, and you have the products carbon dioxide and water. Incomplete combustion is when you have your products carbon dioxide, water, and carbon monoxide, which is toxic. We'll find out why the difference between the two is so important later on. Science Penguin here is going to help us have a little more of a simplified explanation. We can think of Science Penguin as our oxidizer and heat, and a can of soda as the fuel. Now, when he drinks the soda, he ends up burping. We can think of the burp as a combustion reaction. Oxidizer, heat, and fuel all come into contact with each other and cause a reaction. Now, let's say we have a massive amount of fuel. When he drinks the soda, he's going to do more than burp. He's going to vomit. We can think of the vomit as incomplete combustion. We have irregular products of the burp, but we also have the nasty, disgusting products of the vomit. We can relate this to something you probably use every day: your car. In order to run, car engines undergo combustion reactions. Preferably, we would want complete combustion, so we can have the products only carbon dioxide and water. But typically what happens is we have incomplete combustion, where we have carbon dioxide, water, and toxic carbon monoxide. Now, the toxic carbon monoxide gets into the air and pollutes it, which we don't want. What we want is to figure out how we can get a better ratio of oxidizer to fuel. So that way, we have more chance of having complete combustion rather than incomplete combustion. Similar with our fireworks. As long as we have the proper ratio of fireworks, we can have a nicer show and a safer show.